guys want to
Hi, John.
How you doing? Bed.
Whatever. We have spots right here where we can strap it up. Once we actually have it, we can strap it to the bucket.
I'm not even worried about that. I'm just worried about the bed of your truck. I don't want to.
Yeah, it's very clean, very nice.
That's what I mean. It's too damn clean.
Psycho Dad dude.
Yo,
are we doing it?
There it is. Send it.
This is a great thing to destroy.
Yeah, I don't mess with people's vehicles. No, that's a big thing there. But if we can, if you want me to come in the side, we'll just tilt it towards the bucket maybe, and then get it over here, and then maybe get it close enough that we can just
that'll
rotate it on. I'm guessing. I'm just making shit up as I go along.
If you get it to the side.
I can see this is going to be an accident waiting to happen.
I know, we're not liable for any damages to John Haggerty's truck. Hi guys, I'm Jesse, you're not. This is the unofficial intro because I don't think he started it off. We found somewhere John Haggerty's taking Jeffrey's motorcycle, so that's good. Didn't you guys use this before to like move something else? Or no, you guys didn't use
the snowmobile. I think he tried lifting it just on the end. But
that was into a trailer, not somebody's truck?
He's never done this before.
Here. I'll get the good footage for you. I don't think it matters as much what happens with the motorcycle, but more so the truck. Nah, it's like that go boom. This is the best part here.
This is where he destroys it.
I know, you just hear it. You're good, scratch. I thought that was like the forklift, but that's just a piece of wood that... Free wood, yeah, it comes with it. It's a side of French fries. Oh Lord Jesus. It's a delicate process, guys. Oh my. Dude, the truck. Oh.
I can get it from the back if you want me to.
Yeah, like come around and maybe push it a little bit here. I know, she got the hands on the mouth. Oh my. Just gonna go scoop it up a little bit. Yeah, come down and lower. Hold up. Oh.
Body and gear.
You remember how heavy that was?
Dude, Orlando just manhandled this stuff, dude. This dude can lift like 300 pounds.
That's how we do it the old school way. It's actually my bodyguard.
Yeah, Sexy Monster John has like a higher up that protects him.
Exactly.
Been working on like really struggle to push this to even budget at 1 inch.
Yeah, just to push it on the tires, yeah.
This has got to be extremely heavy.
Yeah.
you say? 800?
I don't know.
Pounds?
Yeah, Lee. I mean,
Look,
You know what, Al? I'll grab the strap.
yeah, market corner pushing. That's why I was screaming so much at them. I was like, move. I mean, they don't, when they're this old, dude, everything's built so dense.
And plus, well, not only just the bike being old, like the muscle.
So rusted out where the tires. Yeah. Yeah, our muscles will probably snap before anything on the motorcycle does.
His bicep just said, ping, it was gone.
It went, what was the sound effect?
Well, it was popped.
Oh, what's
Not
the
a
ping noise?
I don't know. I don't know what it is.
Jeez.
There you go.
It was a pop.
Yeah. Oh, John's got the clamps going. Very smart. 1,000-pound working load limit.
I'm not 1,000 pounds. That wasn't very good.
It's been a bit since I've seen you, dude. I don't know.
It's close. $9.99 this guy.
$9.99
$9.99.
on sale.
There it is.
Watch your crotch there, John.
It is a crotch rocket.
I'm married, have kids, kids gone.
Damn. John, so what are you doing with this thing? Are you sure it's not too late? I mean, you don't have to take this.
So, it's not too late. We're going to make it really cool though, I hope.
Really?
I hope.
So you're going to fix it up?
Yes.
All right. Oh.
We can't make it cool, we're just gonna light it on fire.
Hey, yo, send it off the right way, man. Make sure there's gas in there.
I just want to let you know, once it enters somebody else's truck, it becomes yours.
That's okay.
All right. Yeah, second dad's like, thank God it's done.
Honey, what are we going to do with all this space over here?
I mean, you still got a snowmobile that's like ancient.
Well, if he had room, we
Yeah. Dude, attach them together as like the sidecar.
The snowmo bike.
Yeah, dude.
That would be perfect, wouldn't it? But that dude was from Franklinville that got the other one, and he was so excited.
What, the Miata?
No, the other snowmobile.
Oh, you
remember?
saw, a fan took that?
Yeah.
Oh, dang.
Yeah, he came out and picked it up and was excited about
Yeah,
it.
I thought you wanted to keep this one. You were going
I
to
did.
do something with it.
Jesse's just stirring the pot.
Nah, I don't
His
know.
mother's right there, and yeah.
I wouldn't even trust that thing.
What do you mean you wouldn't trust it? Isn't that the one you and Nate got stuck in the field?
I don't know, I flipped over on one of them.
Oh, you did.
Almost crushed me. No, I did. No, I did. I was going up like a bluff on the side of the road, and then the thing flipped on me, and luckily I jumped off of it while it flipped, but...
There's no bluffs in Pittsgrove Township.
You know what I mean? It was like a little lip.
there was the one bluff.
From the bad snowplowers in Salem County that, you know, all your workers.
So, yeah. No,
Yeah.
they're great people. So you went over a snow mound, maybe.
Yeah, whatever.
Is your truck going?
It's our work truck, yeah.
It's a rental.
It's our friend.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Orlando was saying it was his truck earlier, so I don't know. I think John's making stuff up.
It's nobody's car.
It's nobody's car. It's nobody's car.
Yeah, it's nice though. I like it.
So Sexy Mobster John's gonna have a Sexy Mobster bike now.
Well, it's a bike. I don't know how sexy it's going to be. We'll see.
So homeboy that got the Miata, he gives me updates. He gives Twitter updates. Are you gonna take us on the journey of?
I will.
Nice.
I will absolutely do that.
Let's go.
Yeah, because he does. He just keeps it.
At least he's doing stuff with it, yeah.
Yeah, he's doing stuff with it. It's nice.
Yeah, because a lot of you guys, why John's getting, not only has John put in his 100 hours for Ridgway Studio, so he does kind of get dibs, but you know, he made it easy. Like a lot of you guys I was talking to, yo, who wants the bike, who wants the bike? Some of you guys didn't have rides, some of you guys just couldn't, you know, didn't have any money offers, which is fine. John's not paying me for this, but like I said, he paid me in sweat equity, so, you know. But
it was well deserved.
It was well deserved, and like I said, he said John has his detailing company. He works with all kinds of mechanicals and all that fun stuff. So
we get shameless plugs.
yeah, so he's
edit that out.
We get a plug.
Hey, we got a plug.
I used John in Orlando's business, and they did a great job on Terry's car.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
See?
They're trying to get their hands on the Tesla because like it's seen better days, but
Yeah, like 3 years ago, right?
yeah.
3 years and counting.
Yep.
I think Jesse wants to get it as dirty as possible.
So
Yeah, let's go mudding
I think
first.
Jesse deserves a clean car.
He never treats
He never treats himself ever. He's so worried about taking care of everybody else.
All right, John, get out of here, dude.
Now he's just
No,
kissing
but he
ass.
does. I've been telling him for years. to get
That was the
damn
paid
thing
promotion
clean.
part.
Yeah, oh my god. Yeah, we're just getting ready for the movie, right, dude? Yeah, that's the only spoiler you guys get.
How close are you? You good?
Yeah.
And you know that's not going to move, right? Are you going to tie that back in? Yeah. Oh, okay.
I was actually thinking
we're gonna record the trip back home in case it flies over. We can send you guys the footage.
Honestly.
But that title's signed, and there's verification that it doesn't belong to us if it flips out of a car.
That's right.
Yeah, is my signature even on that thing?
It's nobody's bike.
Oh. Oh, wait, really?
So, how to make a viral video 101. We're gonna sit on the bike, and we're gonna drive back to Vineland.
That's it.
We're gonna see what happens.
Oh my God.
Violent?
We're gonna see what happens.
How do you want to anchor the tail?
Well, we don't want to scratch.
See, so all right, a year later. It was a year later I got the bike out of here.
Yeah.
It was
better late than never.
which is exactly what I said. It'll probably be like a year later and we'll finally get rid of it.
Yeah.
But it all plays out when it's supposed to.
I don't know if you can't even hang a license plate on it. I don't know if you want it anymore.
Oh, wow, we got zip ties.
You don't need.
Oh, thanks.
He does have all these. He always had nice sneakers.
They are very nice.
Thank you. Wow.
What's up with that?
I don't know.
Your gold R and gold shorts.
Yeah.
Dressed you this morning?
No.
Which one is that?
All right.
He didn't like that.
Something with this much history deserves to be
Preserved.
and preserved.
Yeah, restored. It's a
5 minutes later.
I
Yeah.
agree. I agree.
Oh,
As long as you preserve it in somebody else's yard, that's
Right.
great.
I'm down for either outcome. If you guys want to destroy it in a crazy way, you know, send it off a cliff, that'd be crazy.
So
That would be
why
good.
don't you have the fans answer that? Let them do what
Decide the motorcycle's fate.
Just decide
Oh
my
my.
fate. There you go.
Yeah, I don't even know. Just don't be like that dude.
Popular option.
it is.
Yeah, don't be like that dude though that like
money
flew
on
the
this
plane and then crashed it and then like went to jail for it or whatever.
Yeah, we don't want to do that.
Nah.
Don't your oldest boy maybe want it? Do they have any?
He doesn't even know that I'm getting it, so probably not even said.
Surprise! Big red bow.
I'm sure he will.
Oh, Dad, thank you so much for getting it for me.
Would you be overprotective, Dad, and be like, no, you're not driving a motorcycle?
I'm not like that.
Nice.
Nah, I'm a semi-cool.
Helmet?
Of course.
Of course.
Of course.
Stay in New Jersey, gotta have one. So.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Because I know he's not going to pay the ticket, and I'm going to get jammed up with
You'll
that.
get
So
jammed up.
you have to wear a helmet.
Guys, it's pretty crazy. I haven't seen John since I think what was it like one of the competitions. I don't remember what
I think it was the baking.
was it the Bake Off?
I think so. Yeah.
And that was like it was like all right, come in. All right, let's judge. All right, see ya.
Yeah. Here. What do you think, Jess? It sucks. See ya.
Oh yeah,
Bye.
wait. It was the one you didn't bake.
All right. See ya.
John's like, yeah, I baked that.
It's like, why does that have a ShopRite sticker?
Yeah, right.
Well, yeah, they do.
Yeah, that was like 3 years ago. So yeah, it's been a while.
So it's funny, right? Talking about time going by. I was looking at pictures from Hawaii.
Yeah.
I was like, bro, that was like forever ago.
Yeah, it's crazy. That's 5 years ago now,
Yeah.
dude.
That is crazy.
5.
And John doesn't age.
No.
Yeah.
I'm exactly the same.
His kids get older though.
Yep.
When I wake up
look
and
at
I'm
that.
sore,
Oh,
I
yeah.
feel it.
Nice. All that motorcycle dirt and dust. All right, see there, I got rid of it.
That was perfect.
There, I got rid of it. Woo!
Thank you, Jess.
John's
Thank you,
really the
John.
one.
Thank you, Orlando.
John's the
Thank
one
you.
responsible
Appreciate
for
it.
taking it, and Orlando here.
And hopefully you do something good with it. If not, we don't care.
Yeah,
Out of my yard.
Yeah,
Figure
honestly.
something out.
It's gonna be fun.
It's one of those things that, like, yeah, we couldn't really do much with it. You
No.
know, that's I don't know.
And you got the title. And JT Senior signed for JT Junior. Just lets you know that.
I didn't.
It's all good. There's no junior and senior
No,
anymore
it's
unless
fine.
you have your license changed. Do you know that?
I did not.
You have to have it legally done before they'll recognize a junior or senior at the DMV.
Wow. Did not know that.
No idea what they're talking
Well,
about.
best of luck with it.
Thank you.
Yep.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Yep,
Appreciate it,
Godspeed.
guys.
Guys, we appreciate you all. Thank you.
I'm gonna get my own clips.
You want to use the camera?
You gonna close yours off?
Hey, everybody. Thanks so much. Have a great day and a good life.
Trying to
John,
help-
Orlando, thank you.
Trying to help you guys out because like sometimes it just
appreciate it.
drags a little bit. So like just get
Yeah.
get out, get out.
Just
you know?
push
End on
me.
a high note.
Just direct me. That's
Oh
all I
my
need.
god.